Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock, and I'll also take you over some of the other semiconductors as well, even though I have done dedicated videos on like AMD and SMCI today. But let's go over other like ARM and Broadcom because I didn't get time to do individual videos for those. So I'll talk about those as well in this video, but mostly we'll be focusing on Nvidia's price action, what to look for, what to expect going in tomorrow. This thing in the post market is at 1237. Unstoppable, $60 up today, 5.16% up. Like, this is completely unstoppable. QQQ and SPY, I already did a video on those with the tech stocks as well today. Check those out on my channel if you are interested, and also Tesla if you are interested. It's already on my channel. So let's start Nvidia here, and let's start off with my, just to show you around my day trading bot and my swing bot. So here's the day trading bot, and you can see that today also had a good day, a great buying position. Again, you can see the data on the left hand side here on the table, and you can see good buying into the breakout, and yeah, partial take profits as well. Yeah, and that was amazing, good move. As I said, you can see the data here on the left hand side. So on swingbot, yeah, we in this current open position, we have one take partial profit already today by the bot. Rest is still running. Let's see how things goes. But yeah, it's like just been going vertical, guys. Look at Nvidia. But anyways, data on the swing bot is also on the left hand side here, guys. Last 30 trades and current open PNL as well, with the closed partial profits already on that. But anyways, open PNL is still running good. So, but anyways, just wanted to show you that if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have two indicators, two bots. These are only educational purposes tools. They are red trades as well. You can see on the table. I take guarantee of nothing. There is no assurances of anything. Use them at your own risk. Okay. Now, let's go back to the daily interval, and let's turn those things off. So, you guys, we are bullish. That's all. End of the video. It's we are bullish. No, I'm just well we are bullish, but I'm kidding. No, the video is not that short. We have to go through the technicals. Let's get things ready for tomorrow and the levels to watch, what we can expect, right? So yeah, Nvidia technically still higher highs, higher lows, even in this new run up. We have a pivot here, already broke out the structure, well, broke out from another pivot potential area of 1158. That's a new support now on this current structure. There is no sign of bearishness. Don't short it here because there is no sign of bearishness, guys. There is no structure showing us the downside. Even when these red candles were coming, I was talking about these are intraday shorts, and I talked about back here that some sell-off may come because price action was showing things for that. But yeah, and that was the pivot. And once we broke out of the structure again, where my swing bot also gave the buying position, that was it. We have been running up and up from here. You can see that was it, right? This channel, once we got out of it, and that's what I was saying, if we got out of it, just gonna go up, and we have been bullish, guys. So it's a vertical climb. And how do we trade these vertical climbs? Well, look, at this time it's bullish. So going in tomorrow, any pullback with a good support, like on the lower time frame, when you see patterns like double bottom, consolidation, holding, these, like, the levels gap is quite wide though, guys. Like, so here's the thing, it may look like here, if we break $1,224 tomorrow, is a short play, but I would advise against that. Because why so? This is such a strong demand zone that these pullbacks, it's better to trade intraday into the pullback as buying it. Like, let the pullback happen, right? And how you identify where the price, as I said, you have to identify where the price is holding support. So things like, let's go to the 5 minutes interval, and I want to show you something. How do you even identify that the pullback is done and it's gonna find a support now and gonna continue up and getting into the buying position? Like, so things like, for example, one of the days I'm showing you that, and this is, I mean, my day trading bot takes care of those things as well. Like, if I turn it on, you can see the bot identified the pullbacks and the patterns like double bottom and on so forth, and we got the buy. So, but let's say if you don't want to have access to my bot, well, that's your choice. But but anyways, Yeah, so you see the patterns like in the structure that, hey, this is the double bottom forming. It's holding at a critical support level of structure as well. And then you build into the position, again with the stop loss on the other side of the structure, and then you play the game. So, and what I'm seeing on Nvidia right now is that there is just a lot of demand zone sitting over here that any pullback tomorrow, in my opinion, is just going to stay up here. So either it's going to stay after the pullback, it may go a little bit up, stay choppy, or continue up, but that's most likely what I'm expecting. Tomorrow, even if we come down to, let's say, $1,200, that's just going to be a pullback. So what I'm trying to say is that if pullback comes, let the pullback happens, then you're watching on the lower time frames where the pattern is forming consolidations or patterns like double bottom, or price action is holding an important indicators and key levels, and then just play the pullback to the upside. Shorting is risky. Nvidia here, it's a buying game. Don't buy blindly as well, though. But okay, I told you the levels, told you the areas to watch, told you what to watch for in the price action. But as in all, it's full on bullish, guys. As I said, pull back to these areas is just a buy on this thing. Anything else on 5 minutes if I'm seeing on the levels. So here's the thing: if we break 1224, you can wait for a pullback to another level that will show up tomorrow, and that is around $1,200, I was, and that's a psychological support as well, guys. Now, and you can also use this moving averages, right? So you can use those as a pullback, but watch these type of price action patterns as well that I just told you so, right? Yeah, so yeah, bullish. Even if we tomorrow close a red candle, it's not going to change the structure bearish. And here's the thing. Yeah, here's another important point. So let's say, let's go to the 5 minutes again. And let's say Nvidia shows no green thing tomorrow. All right. Let's say Nvidia has what am I doing here? Let's say Nvidia has a flush, and then it just flush and just keeps, let's say it just keeps selling. Or let's take that use case. Yeah, you are not buying. Are you? Yeah, why so? But junior trader, you said just pull back, buy it. No, I didn't say that. What I said is that if the pullback comes and then you're watching a price action of such type, where price action at important levels is holding a structure, showing you the price action structure, like consolidation is happening, double bottoms are forming, buyers are stepping in, and things are rotating. You don't buy a falling knife, all right? So hope that explains. And yeah, if it just no consolidation happens, no pullback happens of the type that there's no buying happening, yeah, then it can just close red. And then you don't buy, okay? But on the daily interval, that structure will still remain bullish right now. There's a good support holding now at 1158. All right, that's with Nvidia, guys. So let me take you to other stocks. I'm not going to talk AMD and SMCI here. I did a dedicated videos on those on my channel, so check those out there. I'm going to talk about ARM, and I'm going to talk about Broadcom. So here you go, guys. So I was already talking about from over the weekend that this is just bullish. Any now next leg up. So this is what I have been saying. This is the channel I gave. And any pivot on this is just a buy with the stop loss on the other side. And we finally broke out of the channel as well. And also you can see on ARM here. So this was the area I was talking about, that $121. If we can get out of this area after this pivot candle as it formed, it's just a breakout, continue higher up, and we have been just doing that. And I said that after that, it opens up the door to 150 and 164. So let's see if we can continue there, but it's going in that direction, right? Right now, any pullback to 130 is just a pullback. Structure is bullish on this thing. So this thing can just continue higher. It's just a pullback. If it comes, it's just so strong, it can just continue higher. I'm not seeing any structure break to the downside. All right. Broadcom. So Broadcom, look at this massive green candle, guys. So we had one structure break below 1378. We got to the next level almost, and then what you saw is a consolidation happening, and then buyer stepping in, not letting it go lower. We got a green candle, and then structure change. we are back up to the races. Pivot is confirmed again on this thing, and but the important thing is that we broke above $1,378. That's a structure change already, as I talked about in the morning as well. A little bit touched base on Broadcom as well in the morning. Now, if any sell-off happens and we stay above 1377, that's just a pullback, and we can just continue higher because structure is back again to the upside. Cool. Let's talk about Micron as well. Today, all these semiconductors are up. Wow, Micron is all-time highs. And yeah, as I was saying already, this is not even going to break to the downside. Structure is bullish on this thing. 100 and this area, 120 to $124 was just a zone of any pullback, and yeah, we have been just going up. So structure has it's been bullish on this thing, and yeah, right now it's just bullish, guys. Anyways, guys, all of the stocks that I have talked about on the semiconductors today, they are on my channel. Just check out those over there. And that was it for this video. So, and if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. And hit the like, subscribe if you found it helpful and valuable. I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.